So here we have a Datalogic scale, and so we have a weight of 5 pounds. We're going to weigh it. Okay, and it says 7.34 pounds. That's incorrect, so we're going to calibrate this scale so that it is correct. So first thing you want to do is to take off the weight cover, move it off to the side, and then move the red cover off to the left, and it will reveal the yellow button, and so you just want to press that once. You'll hear the beep, and then put the weight platter back on. And what you want to do is hit the yellow blinking LED once, and then you'll hear 2 beeps. After that, you want to put 20 pounds of weight, exactly 20 pounds, so. And then you want to hit the yellow blinking LED again. And you'll hear a sort of chill sound, and then you're going to want to hit it one more time. And now the scale is calibrated, and it should be a solid green light. So once you have completed calibrating your scale, you're going to want to take the weights off and platter, and make sure that you cover the button back up so that you have it fully complete. So now that we have it calibrated, it should show a correct weight. So we have the 5 again, and we're gonna hit weight, and it is basically 5 pounds. So in some states, you'll need to have your scale calibrated by professionals, and in that case, they'll usually put a badge right where the button is, so do not touch if you do see that. And make sure that you check the states that require a professional calibration for your scale.